Hi, I'm Roop, SSBeauty makeup artist. Today I have my very beautiful model with me. I'm going to show you how to do an everyday makeup look for mature skin. So I'm using a vitamin enriched face base which acts as a moisturizer and a primer. Okay, next I'm going to use a skin tint instead of a foundation for everyday wear. So this gives a very natural, hydrating and dewy look. So now I'm going to use concealer for under eye and uneven area. To set everything in place, we are going in with loose powder. It's important to set any liquid products with a powder. Once our face is set, we will move on the eyes. We will use mascara to make her look more awake. We will be adding some blush to her cheeks to give her a more healthy color. So for her lips, we are going with 3 nude options. Let's see which one she will pick. Oh, my favorite one. Now we are going to groom her brows to make her look more defined. Finally, we will set everything with a setting spray to ensure the makeup lasts all day, and this will also give you a hydrating look and a healthy glow. And there you go. This is the final look, natural and everyday makeup look. SSBeauty offers free makeovers, so please feel free to reach out to the beauty stores for makeovers and complimentary services. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beauty tips. Bye.